Hey there. Ever wondered what happens to that delicious sandwich you just ate? Well, you're about to find out. Stick around and I'll take you on a wild ride through your digestive system. First stop, the mouth. Here, your teeth chop and grind the food into smaller pieces. That's mechanical digestion. It's like a food processor in your mouth. Your saliva comes to the rescue with an enzyme called amylase, breaking down starches into sugars. This is the start of chemical digestion. Now, this chewed-up mix is called a bolus. It's like a small, mushy ball ready for the next stage. Next, the bolus takes a slippery slide down the esophagus. This journey is quick but essential. This muscular tube uses wave-like contractions, known as peristalsis, to push the bolus downward into the stomach. Welcome to the stomach. Think of it as a churning vat of acid and enzymes. The stomach is like a powerful blender. The stomach lining releases hydrochloric acid and an enzyme called pepsin, which breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. This is where proteins get dismantled. The bolus is now a semi-liquid mix called chyme. It's a soupy mixture ready for the next phase. From here, chyme moves into the small intestine, specifically the duodenum. This is where the real action begins. This is where things get really interesting. The small intestine is like a busy marketplace of digestion. The pancreas and liver play key roles here, secreting digestive juices and bile respectively. These juices are like special agents breaking down food. Bile breaks down fats into tiny droplets, while pancreatic enzymes tackle carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It's a full-on digestive assault. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny finger-like structures called villi and microvilli, which absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. These structures maximize nutrient absorption. This is where most of the magic happens. Your body gets its energy and building blocks from these nutrients. It's like fueling up your body. What's left of the chyme now moves into the large intestine, also known as the colon. The journey isn't over yet. The main job here is to absorb water and electrolytes, transforming the chyme into a more solid waste. It's like a dehydration process. Beneficial bacteria in the colon also help break down any remaining nutrients. These bacteria are like tiny helpers. Finally, the waste travels to the rectum and is expelled during a bowel movement. The journey concludes here, and there you have it. The incredible journey of your food through the digestive system, from a tasty sandwich to a bolus to chyme and finally to waste. That's the amazing journey of digestion. It's a fascinating process happening inside you every day. So next time you eat, remember the incredible adventure happening inside you. Appreciate the complexity of your digestive system. If you found this fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun science facts. Stay curious. See you in the next video. Take care and keep exploring the wonders of science.